Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set a mobile data limit on a NOKIA C32. And to do this, we'll need to open our system settings, then find the network and internet, select your SIM card, scroll down. There's a data warning and a limit. Now we can set the data limit. Adjust the limit size. You can change between megabytes and gigabytes. Keep in mind that 1000 of megabytes is 1 gigabyte. When you're ready with your limit, you'll be able to change mobile data usage cycle. So you can pick when the limit restarts each month. So for example, we're going to go with the first day of the month, and it will restart this cycle each time the first day of the month hits. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.